How to share files and printers on a Windows network. Hi everyone, sharing files and printers on a Windows network can be a breeze. Today, we'll learn how to do it in under 2 minutes, making teamwork and resource sharing a snap. First things first, let's enable network sharing. Open the Settings app and navigate to the network/internet. Under Sharing Options, ensure Turn on Network Discovery and turn on File and Printer Sharing are selected from your network profile. Now let's share a file or folder. Right-click the file/folder you want to share and select Properties. Go to the Sharing tab and click Share. Choose specific people or groups to grant access and set permission levels, read, write, or full control. Click Share to finalize. To share a printer, head to the control panel and navigate to Devices and Printers. Right-click your desired printer and select Printer Properties. Go to the Sharing tab and check Share this printer. Optionally, rename the printer for easier identification on the network. Click OK to save the settings. When other computers are on the network, open File Explorer and navigate to Network. You should see the name of the computer sharing the files or printer. Double-click it to access the shared resources. And remember, for security reasons, it's wise to set appropriate permissions when sharing resources. And that's it. Now you can share files and printers on your Windows network, fostering collaboration and efficient resource utilization. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Windows tutorials.